Hello students, now today we are going to start your unit 3 second chapter, that is nothing but feedback amplifiers. Okay, now till now in unit 1 you have seen rectifiers and filters. Then we went for unit 2. In unit 2 you have seen different types of regulators. In unit 3 now you are having two chapters. First chapter is nothing but your RC couple amplifier, and the second chapter is nothing but feedback amplifiers. So in RC couple amplifier, what you have seen in unit 3 RC couple amplifier, you have seen different first, before going to RC couple amplifier, you have seen the classification of amplifier. Then we went for RC couple amplifier topic. In that RC couple amplifier topic, we have studied about different type like definition of amplifier. Then we went for circuit diagram, circuit description, then frequency response curve. Then in mid frequency we calculated the RC couple amplifier operation, and at mid frequency and low frequency and high frequency we have calculated. Now this is your first chapter in your unit 3. So whenever in exam they will ask you write about the RC couple amplifier, means you have to write all the things whatever is given in the notes itself. That means you have to write the introduction, circuit description, circuit operation, then frequency response, if directly he is asking. No, if he is asking directly for long answer, means you have to write. But if he is asking directly, explain about RC couple amplifier and its frequency response curve with the voltage gain calculation in mid frequency, means you should calculate only for mid frequency. If he will ask for high frequency, means you should calculate only for high. Low means you have to calculate for low. Okay, so like this you have to attend for RC couple amplifier answer. Now second chapter we are starting for feedback amplifier. Okay, what do you mean by feedback actually? What the word indicates? Okay, feedback means what it indicates. Feedback means like giving the output will be coming back to the input, is nothing but feedback. Amplifier means what? Means we can use feedback in the amplifier itself. Okay, so we can use feedbacks in amplifier and oscillators. Which type of feedback we will use, that we will see in this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter you will be studying the basic definition of feedback, and you will be studying the types of feedback. Then if you are using positive feedback, what is happening? If you are using negative feedback, what is happening? That you will be seeing in this unit. Okay, that means in this chapter. Now what is feedback? Feedback is nothing but when the output is injected back to the input. Okay, when output is injected back to the input, then is said to be feedback is exits. Okay, when the output is injected back to the input, then what we will tell? We will tell that feedback is exiting. Okay, so what you are thinking, that output means what? Whole output will exit? No, whole output no. When a part of the output, when the part of the output is injected back to the input. Injected means what? You know that it will come from output and it will go back to the injected. Injected means what? Means directly it will injection type. Okay, so injection means internally, when the part of the output is injected back to the input, is known as, is said, means it's said to be feedback is exiting. Okay, or when in short and sweet definition you can tell, when half of the output is again injected to the input is known as feedback. Okay. So what is the feedback definition? A feedback amplifier. First we have this second chapter in your unit 3, feedback amplifier. In this we will be studying the definition of feedback and different types of feedbacks. So by for studying this, you should know what is this feedback. Feedback means what? Feedback means when the part of the output is injected back to the input is known as feedback, is said to be exits. Okay. Now again it is injecting back part of the output. Now you first topic in your this chapter is, first topic is nothing but concept of feedback. Okay, concept of feedback. Your first topic in this is concept of feedback. First topic in this chapter is concept of feedback. Okay. Now what is the concept of your feedback? Concept means what? You have to get the basic concept how the feedback is working. So to get this basic concept how the feedback is working, you have to see this diagram. Okay, you have to see this diagram. From this diagram you will get the concept of feedback. So now as shown in the figure, internally how the feedback is existing. Okay, how it is coming. So the concept of feedback can be explained or it can be understood by the diagram, block diagram, which is shown in the diagram this. Okay, below. It consists of different blocks: mixer, basic amplifier with gain A, sampler, okay, feedback network beta. Mixer, basic amplifier with a gain A, sampler and feedback network. Okay, these are the different blocks which you are by which you can understand the concept of feedback. Okay, now what you are thinking that concept of feedback means I will start from here, mixer? No, I will start from here. Feedback means what I said you, half of the output is again injected back to the input. So here feedback means what I should tell you, that again I should start from the back side. Okay, I will be starting from the back side from here. So what I will draw here, sampler. First it will start from sampler. So what is the work of this sampler? First, concept of feedback. First, in concept of feedback, see here. In concept of feedback, sampler, output quantity. See, this is output. Phi naught is output. Phi s is external signal source. External AC signal source. Phi I is input. Phi f is beta fraction. That means feedback fraction. Phi f is nothing but feedback fraction. So what are the things you have seen in the diagram? Phi I input and phi naught output, phi s external signal source, and what about pi f? Pi f is nothing but feedback fraction. Okay. Now first our concept will start from where? Obviously it will start from the sampler. Okay. Before that, you see the diagram: sampler, basic amplifier with gain, then mixer, feedback network. Okay. Here what is happening? Phi I is equals to phi s plus or minus phi f. That means phi I is nothing but input. Okay. Input. That will be taking both plus or minus phi s or phi f. Phi s is nothing but what? External signal source. And pi f is nothing but what? Feedback fraction. So it will be taken. Now, first we are dealing with back side, like here. Sampler. First operation will be starting in this here is from the concept of feedback means first it will be starting from where? Sampler. Okay. Sampler will sample the output quantity. Okay. Sampler will sample whether the output quantity is voltage or current. Okay, so the operation of concept of feedback starts from where? Concept of feedback starts from sampler. What sampler will do? It will sample the output quantity whether it is voltage or current. Okay, it will sample. After sampling, it will pass to the feedback network. See, after sampling, it will pass to the feedback network. What this feedback network will do? It is having the fraction beta. Beta is nothing but whatever output quantity is there, it will do the fraction of that output quantity. You know what is fraction now? Obviously you all know. It will do the fraction of output quantity which will be indicated by phi f. Okay, which will be indicated by phi f. Okay, so what? First concept starts from where? Concept starts from sampler. Sampler will sample the output quantity whether it is voltage or current. After sampling, it will pass to the feedback network. Okay, feedback network is having what? Beta. What this feedback network will do? It will do the fraction of output quantity. Fraction means what? Like this. Okay, it will do the fraction of output quantity which is indicated by what? Phi f. Which is indicated by phi f. After doing fraction, it will pass to the mixer. Okay, after doing fraction, it will pass to the mixer, where mixer will mix this signal with the external signal source. Okay, what mixer will do? It will mix this signal with the external signal source. Okay, mixer will mix this signal with the external signal source. Okay, it will mix phi f with the phi s. With the external signal source, it will mix up. After mixing, it will be giving the input in this form, like phi I is equals to phi s plus or minus phi f. Means it will not know whether the feedback is positive or negative. Okay. According to that, it will give this. Mixer will give this input. Phi I equal to external signal source plus or minus fraction. Output quantity which is fraction is nothing but feedback fraction phi f. It will give this to basic amplifier. After that, basic amplifier will decide whether to take the positive or negative feedback. So lastly it is going to where? To the basic amplifier. Okay. At last it is going to the basic amplifier. First, what is happening in concept of feedback? In feedback definition, what we have learned? Feedback is nothing but the output quantity is suitable. Feedback means the part of the output is again injected back to the input. Okay, part of the output is injected back to the input. Is known as feedback. Okay. Then we went for the concept of feedback. In concept of feedback, what we have studied, the concept of feedback can be well explained by the block diagram. This block diagram consists of different blocks. What is that blocks? Sampler. First it will start from mixer, basic amplifier, sampler, feedback network. Okay. Now you may think that before learning the concept, you may think that your concept will start from mixer, but it will not start from the mixer. It will start from where? It will start from the output, because feedback is from the output or input. It is from the output. So here it will be coming from here. Sampler, sample, output quantity. Output quantity is sampled by the sampler, whether it is voltage or whether it is current. Okay. Then after sampling, it will pass to the feedback network. Okay. After sampling, it will pass to the feedback network. In feedback network, what is happening? Whatever output is there, it will be suitably sampled and its fraction will be done. That fraction will be what? Its fraction will be phi f. Phi f means what? Like half of the fraction is going on. Okay, it will be doing the fraction of the output. That is indicated by what? Phi f. After doing the fraction of output, it will pass to the mixer. Mixer will do what? Mixer will combine the fractional signal, fraction of output, with the external signal source. Mixer will combine the fraction of output with the external signal source, and it will give what? Phi I. Phi I is nothing but what here? Phi s plus or minus phi f. Okay. Phi I is nothing but what? Phi I is equals to phi s plus or minus phi f. It will be doing this. Then after doing this, it will pass to the basic amplifier. After doing this, it will pass to the basic amplifier. What this basic amplifier will do? Now we will concentrate on this. This basic amplifier will generate different things like gain, output by input. Gain formula is what? Output divided by input. Next, beta formula will be what? Phi f by phi naught. Fraction by output. Okay, beta formula. So what it will be doing? This basic amplifier will be getting the different things from the basic amplifier. We will get the different things. What is the different things? Gain, phi naught, output by input. Gain formula is what? Output, obviously output divided by input. What is beta formula? Beta means what? Feedback fraction. Feedback network. From it is coming from beta. BF, phi f by phi naught. Feedback by then output. Finally, with feedback, AF means what? Gain with feedback. Formula is what? Phi naught by phi f. Phi s. Gain feedback formula is nothing but what? Phi naught by phi s. This is important formula. You have to remember this formula. Gain phi naught by phi s. What is phi naught? Phi naught is nothing but output. Phi s is nothing but what? External signal source. Okay, phi s is nothing but external signal source. So this formula you have to remember compulsory. AF equal to, AF means what? Gain with feedback is equals to phi naught by phi s. Output divided by external signal source. Okay. So these are the things you should remember, these formulas, because in our next topic, types of feedback, we will be dealing with these formulas. Compulsory you have to remember these formulas. Okay. You have to remember A equal to output by input. Then you have to remember beta AF by pi naught. Okay. Then you have to remember AF equal to pi naught by phi s. Okay. Important formulas you have to remember. And phi I is equal to what? Phi s plus or minus phi f. Okay. This you have to remember. So today what we have learned about chapter 2 unit 3. In that we have started the first topic. Name of unit 3 is chapter 2 feedback amplifier. In that we have started the first topic. Before going to the first topic, we have written the definition of feedback. That is, feedback is nothing but when the part of the output is injected back to the input is known as feedback, is said to be exits. Then concept of feedback is our first topic in unit 1 chapter 2. Concept of feedback, what we have studied, it can be explained by the diagram. Diagram consists of different blocks: sampler, basic amplifier, feedback network and mixer. So you all will be thinking that it will be starting from mixer, but no, it has started the concept from sampler, because sampler, across sampler what is there? Output is there. You can see here output. So output is sampled by suitable sampler, whether it is voltage or current. Then after sampling it will pass to the feedback network. Feedback network will do fraction of the output. Then again it will do next concept. After that it will pass to the mixer. Mixer will mix up with the external signal source. Then it will pass to the basic amplifier. Then when mixing, it will produce phi I, phi s plus or minus phi f. What is this plus or minus? In my next class I will be dealing that. And what is basic amplifier will do? It will see whether what to do, like it is positive feedback or negative feedback. Then basic amplifier, from basic amplifier we will get what? We will get the formulas like gain phi naught by phi I, then beta phi f by phi naught, then beta with feedback phi naught by phi s. What is phi s? External signal source. Phi naught is output. Then final formula AF equal to what? Gain with feedback, that is equal to what? Phi naught by phi s. So by this we have finished up with our first topic of your unit 3 first concept. Okay. Next class I will be dealing with types of feedback.